A cultural experience is what the city of Jaffna offers its visitors. Jaffna is often referred to as the peninsula and is a natural throbbing of the heart in its pristine and serene location. Jaffna is the capital and administrative headquarters in the northern province of Sri Lanka. It has a population of close to 100,000 and is the 12th most populous city in the country. There was originally landmass that made the medieval Jaffna Kingdom. The Jaffna district comprises 3 regions that were part of the Jaffna Peninsula. The Chundikulam Bird Sanctuary was established in 1938, which later became known as the Chundikulam National Park in 2015. It's a haven for birds and captures the cherished, impulsive, vulnerable and dramatic moments of a vivid paradise. Aside from the most beautiful birds, there are rare and invasive mammals, and you can observe wildlife in close proximity that include the sloth bear, jungle cat, leopard, deer, crocodiles and the fishing cat. Chundikulam is set right in the middle of the Jaffna Peninsula. The Indian Ocean lies on the east of this strip of land, while the Jaffna Lagoon dazzles on the west. It's a wild and barren land that houses evolving habitats such as salt marshes, sand dunes, thorny shrubbery, moors, sun-baked forest, mangrove and the lagoon. This attracts a large number of birds that congregate in this region and flourish to their heart's content. It takes 1 hour and 33 minutes to reach the birders' paradise from Jaffna. Situated in Pachilapalli, the Department of Wildlife Conservation in Sri Lanka oversees the operations and maintenance of the national park. The sanctuary has since expanded to other areas and includes Delph Island and Adams Bridge. Travelers can go on the Kandy Jaffna Highway to reach the Chundikulam Bird Sanctuary. Large packs of intelligent and affable creatures roam in this area where the crisp and natural grass springs across the ponds as it receives water in the dry season. There are countless bird species to be seen and many include resident migrants in surprising numbers. Splendid flocks of birds can be witnessed in the open areas near the jungle. Some of the most graceful and stylish birds that can be seen along the coastal area are pigeons, peacock, chorus, woodpeckers, doves and spectacular pink flamingos. The region is less populated with people that allow numerous birds to flock to this area and take a rest or make it their home. Some of the magnificent species that can be witnessed in all their glory are painted storks, godwit, pelicans, spoonbills and ducks. With the sand dunes overflowing with small fish during the migratory period between November and February, large groups of birds such as terns and gulls, sea eagles and kites head to the dunes. There's ample bird life all year round that makes this one of the most amazing spots for photography. Capture unique and stunning images of tranquil landscapes and scenery set amidst the thousands of birds that flock and thrive in this region. The natural environment is rich with flora and fauna that is indigenous to the north of Sri Lanka and makes the site perfect for nature lovers, researchers and ecologists. The land on which the sanctuary resides is filled with freshwater ponds, lush green jungle stripes and silver sand dunes that make way for panoramic views. The bird sanctuary is spread across 49.2 square kilometers and offers a picturesque and delightful landscape. Travelers who want to see various species of birds should visit during different seasons. The migrant birds and seasonal birds can be spotted from November to mid-January. And other species lay their eggs and hatch them when the weather is favorable to breeding. While Chundikulam is a famous destination in Sri Lanka, There are so much that is still yet to be explored in this realm. You will be astounded by the beauty of nature and this breathtaking bird sanctuary. Kilinochchi is the closest city to the national park and is encompassed by dense forest and long trees, making it a dreamland place to visit. The sanctuary is open 24 hours, but if you wish to have a full experience of witnessing various species of birds and animals in clear light, the best time to visit would be in the morning. At night time, while the surroundings would still be glorious, spotting such delicate and fluttering species may be difficult. Sri Lanka has mostly summers with sunny and dry seasons all year round. Consider visiting the wildlife park during the sunny period when there is bright sunlight. The monsoon period takes place in May, June and again in October and should be avoided by bird watchers. Go on an exotic journey through Chundikulam Bird Sanctuary and see some of the most beautiful creatures on our planet. Relish the different colors, sizes and shapes of various species of birds including brown-headed gull, ruff, Eurasian teal, Eurasian coot, curlew sandpiper, wood sandpiper, Eurasian wiggin, and northern pintail that reside in this extraordinary world. Chundikulam is partly a lagoon surrounded by seagrass and swamps. As it is set in the dry zone of Sri Lanka, there are also scrub forests, palms, and Palmyra gallo that heighten the impressive and stunning landscape that stretches beyond the glorious bird sanctuary. The sanctuary is a haven for bird watchers who can spend hours just capturing stunning imagery or simply watching the birds as they flit and flutter across the terrain. It's an awe-inspiring sight to behold and one that will make memories